G'day and welcome to Behind the Range. I'm Michelle Tanner and today we're diving into the newly relaunched Replenish range. Now, if you've already loved the original Replenish, this new version is going to blow you away. If you've never tried it, this is the one my team keeps reaching for every day behind the chair. And trust me, my team are super picky. What I love about Authentic Beauty Concept is that even when something's already great, they don't stop improving it. They actually listen. They listen to our feedback from people like me and my team, and they make it even better. That's exactly what they've done here. The new Replenish range is designed to nourish and repair dry, damaged hair, but still leave it feeling light, soft, and airy. Yeah, that's the word I keep coming back to, airy. It's not heavy, it's not flat, just healthy, touchable hair. What makes it so effective are the premium ingredients they've packed in. You've got vitamin-rich shea butter, rice protein, rice water, known for smoothness, shine, and strengthening and enhancing hair elasticity. And the best part, it doesn't just work beautifully, it smells incredible. That iconic woody Replenish scent we all love with a hint of frangipani is just heavenly. It just smells premium. The whole range is stunning, but I want to shout out a few of my personal and team favorites. Let's start with the spray conditioner. This is a leave-in that instantly detangles and strengthens at the same time. My team love how lightweight it is, but also still gives that dose of care and protection. Now, my next favorite is the Split and Remedy. It's lightweight, it protects against breakage, and just makes the ends look finished, but without feeling coated. And finally, the two masks. I love that they thought of everything here. The light cream mask is for the finer hair that still needs moisture, and the rich cream mask, that whipped butter texture, is perfect for thicker, more damaged hair that needs a little extra nourishment. And before I wrap up, can I just say, the fact that Authentic Beauty Concept have added Braille to the packaging, it might seem like a small thing, but to me, it says a lot about their values. Beauty that's not just sustainable and premium, but inclusive too. So if you're ready to create hair that feels strong, soft, and airy, this is the one. Me and my team have already fallen for it. I can't wait for you to see why. Thanks for coming behind the range with me, and I'll see you next time.